How to get and use ProtonVPN in 2023. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to do it step by step without any mistakes, so follow the step I show in this video. So ProtonVPN was created by a Switzerland company and I think this is the most secured VPN. We can use it for free. Of course there are some paid versions, but let's talk about them a little bit later. So the free version provides us to use at least 100 servers all over the world in 3 countries basically. Of course we have some paid versions here. As you can see, the price depends on the time we are going to buy our subscription. For 1 month it looks like this. As you can see, we have like free forever version and like £10 every month, 20 euros every month. So we can see the differences between them. In the free version there is like 100 servers across 3 countries, no ads, unlimited bandwidth, customer support, free feature from ProtonMail, Calendar and Drive if you are using these services. But in a paid version, as you can see, almost 2000 servers across 65 countries, high VPN speed, protect 10 devices at a time, high speed streaming, and there are a lot of other features as you can see. So if you're interested in good VPN, I think this offer is pretty good, so you can use it. I will link it in the description so you can follow the link and then just find this website, but it's called protonvpn.com. So the first thing we need to do is just to create free account if you are new to this service. So in the right top corner, just click on create free account, and after that just input the necessary data and then just use it. So I have an account, I will just log in, so I will just click on log in and input my data. So you'll have to use like your email and then just set a password. So let's click on sign in and go to our personal page. So once more, there is like plans here, VPN Plus, Proton Unlimited, but as you can see, my current plan is like just free. So I have 1 VPN connection and 200 in 3 countries servers different. If we go to general, in the left side menu, we can see that we can change language here, set the different themes for this website. But honestly, if you are using the ProtonVPN, you don't have to visit this website every single day. So if we go to account, we can also see some account information. And what is really important is like downloads page. So as you can see, we have like different ProtonVPN clients for Android, iOS, Windows, macOS, Linux, Chromebook and Android TV. I'm using it on macOS, so I will just click on download right up here. So I can download it by clicking on this button. If you're using it on Windows, just simply click on download near the Windows icon and then just follow the steps which are described in this instruction. So as you can see, we can also find some information here, information about different services or some other stuff. And if we'll go to payments here, we can manage our payments. We can add credit or debit card, add PayPal or customize. So this is the best way to manage your payments if you are going to buy like paid version. So when everything is done, basically when you've downloaded your VPN app, we are ready to get started with it. So it looks like this, the icon looks like this. So all we need is just to open it. The next step, of course, we'll need to install or remind me later. Of course, remind me later. I will do it the next step. Basically, you will have to log in using your data from your account. But when you will log in, your interface will look like this. So we have some options here, like Quick Connect, of course, countries and profiles, as you can see. And we have like 3 free locations in a free version with like Japan, Netherlands and United States. We can also use to play with the map, with interactive map here, as you can see. Sometimes it could be really helpful. Of course, if you, for example, have like paid plans, you can just find the necessary country right up here. As for free version, we can only choose like 3 of them: the US, Netherlands and Japan. So basically this is all. Interface is quite simple. We can also search for the country in this search bar. So if you are going to use, for example, any like direct country like Brazil or Croatia, Egypt, it will be easier for you to find them here in the search bar. So if you are interested, you can just click on them right up here and then just find it. To connect, to use the VPN, all we need is just to click on the necessary country we want to connect, for example for the United States, and then just click on connect. So as you can see, now the process began and it was successfully connected to this server. There was a name of server. While VPN is working, we can also check the speed of our VPN connection. As you can see, there is like speed here. So if I will use some data, try to upload or download, there will be the information about my speed. We can also check the server like capacity. As you can see, now the 53% was taken. So it's good. Basically, the connection will be pretty good. To disconnect, all we need is just to click on disconnect on this button right up here. So after that, our connection will be cancelled. To connect to any single country with the best server here, we can just only click on quick connect. So it will also be good, but we want to be able to choose country we want to connect to. For example, as you can see, I clicked on quick connect and I was connected to Netherlands now. So basically, if it doesn't matter as for you, you can just simply click, and as you can see, it was only 44% taken. So I think it's also cool if you just need to change your location. So I will just click on disconnect. As you can see, we can also find some icons here, and we can read about every single icon. It's like secure core, route your most sensitive data through our safest servers in privacy-friendly countries. To use it, we need to upgrade our plan. Like NetShield, browse the internet without ads and malware. So it's like ad blocker, I think. So I'll just choose not block. And of course, kill switch disables internet if the VPN connection drops to prevent essential IP leak. So it will help you not to save your IP basically if you're interested in that. If you go to profiles, we can see different options here, like fastest or random. So fastest, we can click to the fastest one, to the Netherlands with the best capacity, I think, and to random, of course, if you need to change it to any single another profile. So we can also create a profile here or just manage profile. Basically, this all for this interface. In the top of the screen, we also have in a search bar here our plugin here, so we can just click on the icon and then just use it the same way basically. But honestly, I don't use it. I use it in this app. So that's all basically about the ProtonVPN. Hope this video helped you out. Please do like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can of course ask them in the comments below. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.